Hello Odooers. Today we will discuss about the how to print separate PDF for all selected records from MRP module. You can see here our module Dev MRP BOM multiple PDF. First install this module, so click on activate button. Now go to manufacturing, go to products, and you can see here this menu bill of materials. Click on this menu and you can see here bill of materials details. Select all, go to print menu and you can see here separate multiple PDF. Click on this menu and click on downloaded button. Let's save. And you can see here separated PDF for all details. Thank you.